So my friends, it was my score when I started optimization of my site 62 and accessibility 80, and this is the outcome when I finished the optimization of my WordPress site 98 performance score with contentful page 1 second. And this is the site I optimized in my WordPress speed optimization. Let me show you. Let we start the developers.google.com/speed. Let me check my speed, my website speed, and analyzing it, putting my URL, and you can see the 62 performance score is here, accessibility 80, and this is the terrible score of my site. First content paint is 4.2 seconds, time to interact is 4.5, it is too much high, speed index 7.9, largest contentful paint 5.5 seconds, it is much more. And then eliminate render sourcing block sources, that is the cars, because of JavaScript. This is the most common and horrible situation in the WordPress sites we need to tackle. Then it says there is a problem of the images, you need to convert it in next generation like WebP. It is also taking too much space and blocking sources. What we need to do is just to go to the plugins and add a new one, upload, choose file, go to the destination folder, where in my case desktop WP Rocket, open it, install it. Now activate the plugin when it is successfully installed. The plugin is installed and activated successfully. Just go to the settings of WP Rocket. Here is the settings, click here. Settings is the most important element of speed optimization in the WP Rocket. The first thing that you will see is the dashboard of WP Rocket, where you find the general information, like it says you to share your sensitive information with WP Rocket to enhance the performance. It also invites you to get the CDN that WP Rocket offer for $7.95, I think so. So it is up to you to choose one or not. You can get the subscription. First go to the cache, mobile cache, enable the first option and left the second, and then user cache, when you are logged in, do not check it, leave this option unchecked, and leave this specific time after the global caching is cleared, leave this as it is, no need to change. File optimization, minify CSS, check this option, it's the most important element to minify your CSS files. Do not check the other and leave optimize CSS, just check the minify JavaScript files. JavaScript is cause the problem. Load JavaScript efforts, check this option as well, it also causes many problems, check this option. And then delay JavaScript's execution, you need to check this too. I leave just combine CSS. Okay, lazy load, check the options for lazy load, enable for this, because it will load your images in lazy load format. Enable for the iframe and the videos, if you have the videos like YouTube etc, it will also lazy load it and show thumbnail instead of loading the image or the video. It will reduce the extra burden that page, and it make the page lightweight. Save it. and go to preloader. Preload means WP Rocket upload your site before the user in advance. Advanced rules, you do not need to touch anything in the advanced rule. If you are a developer, you can do it, or you have good technical knowledge. Other than, you do not need to touch anything in this. It is leave these all options as it is, they are. Okay, then you can go to the database. You need not to touch anything in the database. Post cleanup, revisions, like when you make the 2 or 3 or 4 revisions for the page, it says it will delete from the database. You need not it. Auto drop, no. Command cleanup, you can do this. Check these 2 options. Comments that comes in the spam, they will be automatically deleted from database. So you can check these options. Trash comments, they will be deleted from database. Go to CDN. Content delivery network is also important factor in speed optimization. WP Rocket also offer CDN, and if you have a CDN, you can provide the information here. In my case, there is no CDN, so no problem here. You can also buy off. Here is the heartbeat. This option reduce your time to interact with your server, so you can check this option as well. Add-ons, there are some add-ons that WP Rocket offer to its users. You can use them: Security, Cloudflare, WebP, etc. It is up to you. You want to use them or not. They are also useful. You can use them. Cloudflare like. And then image optimization, WP Rocket offer the install the Imagify, the plugin it offers. It can optimize your images. In my case, I don't need tools. Tools mean you can download the settings and you can upload it to any other site if you have to optimize WP Rocket. So all we have done this. What you need to check is the caching. Double check the caching for the mobile, and also the most important thing is the file optimization. Check these options again and save them. I'm just double checking it, and then go to the speed check, looking that my site is loading faster than before, and check this on developers.google.com/speed. Put my URL, copy and paste. Analyze it. You can see the performance score is 81 from 61. It means 20 points we have got the performance better, but I'm not satisfied with this because the contentful paint is showing the poor render blocking resources is still here. That is a major problem in WordPress. Okay, desktop. What shows the desktop? On the desktop it is good, 94 performance score, and best practice is 100. On desktop it is satisfactory, and you can do this. Okay, we need to check it on GTmetrix as well. Go to GTmetrix, put the URL. It is scanning, generating report. It's 98. It's enough. It's good enough to offer your client on Fiverr and Upwork as well. But I'm not satisfied with my speed. I want to double check it on my on speed test on Google, whether it is 81 or it is increased 81. It means I need to do something extra, something to do better to find the solution of this render blocking resources. Just go to the file optimization Do not touch anything. Expect the optimized CSS delivery, render blocking CSS. Check this option, activate it, and save changes. Okay, now go to the page speed test, put your URL again and analyze. So friends, this is the outcome, 98 performance score on the WordPress. So in this case, you can see we have done our job and all the issues has been resolved. First, contentful paint, speed index, and render blocking resources all have been set. So you can optimize your site in just 10 minutes. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.